You may know many divisibility rules. If not, go check out my part 1 and 2 of this video, where I'll be showing the divisibility rule from 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. But today, I'll be showing the divisibility rule for 7. Hello, my name is Hashil Nukala and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing the divisibility rule for 7. The trick. Double the last number. Subtract the number from the remaining digits. If the number equals to 0 or multiple of 7, the original number is also divisible by 7. Let's see if our divisibility rule works with the number 343. 343 is 7 cubed, so it means it has to be divisible by 7. Let's see if it's divisible by 7. With our rule, we are saying that we have to multiply the last digit by 2 and subtract that product with the remaining digit, which in this case is 34. We are subtracting 3 times 2 with 34. 3 times 2 is 6. So 34 minus 6 is 28, a multiple of 7. Now we can say that a divisibility rule works. Now let's try a bigger number. Let's see if 1001 is divisible by 7. We'll be going with our trick and doubling 1. Doubling 1 is basically multiplying it by 2, and we get that product as 2. So 100 minus 2 will be 98. If you know 98 on top of your head is a multiple of 7, and you can just say that 1001 is a multiple of 7. But if you don't know that 98 is a multiple of 7, no worries. We can just do this trick again. We're taking now the last digit as 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So we're subtracting 16 to 9 and getting negative 7. And now we know that negative 7 is negative 1 times 7. So we know that 1001 is divisible by 7. An interesting fact about 1001 is it's a palindrome number.